Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two popular portable washing machines, the BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine and the Portable Washing Machine Mini. Both products are designed for convenience and efficiency, making them ideal for small spaces like dorms, apartments, and RVs. In this video, we will compare them based on their design, capacity, and unique features to help you make an informed decision. The BANGSON features a twin tub design, allowing for separate washing and spinning, which can be more efficient for larger loads. In contrast, the Portable Washing Machine Mini boasts a foldable design, making it incredibly portable and easy to store. This design choice is perfect for those with limited space or who need a washing machine that can be easily transported. When it comes to capacity, the BANGSON offers a total of 17.6 pounds, with 11 pounds for washing and 6.6 pounds for spinning, making it suitable for larger laundry loads. On the other hand, the Portable Washing Machine Mini has a capacity of 11 Ls, which is ideal for smaller loads, perfect for individuals or couples. This difference in capacity is crucial depending on your laundry needs. The BANGSON comes equipped with multiple wash modes, including a soaking function for deeper cleaning, which adds versatility to its operation. Meanwhile, the Portable Washing Machine Mini features a unique blue light cleaning system and 3 timer modes, enhancing its functionality and making it an innovative choice for users looking for efficiency in their laundry tasks. In conclusion, both the BANGSON and the Portable Washing Machine Mini offer unique advantages tailored to different user needs. The BANGSON is ideal for those requiring a larger capacity and more traditional washing experience, while the Mini is perfect for those prioritizing portability and compactness. We hope this comparison helps you decide which washing machine suits your lifestyle best. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.